Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A94, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, you can pull down our notifications, expand them, and somewhere in here you'll find a toggle for it. For me it's on the second page, as you can see right here. Once you find the toggle, screen recording, you can either tap on it to start recording immediately. So like allow everything. You could also hold the toggle and it will take you to the settings, but you can actually access it from the overlay right here. So select more settings now, and the reason I would recommend going in here is because there's a couple of settings that you might want to change. So video resolution, I would select to be high. 720p is a little bit on the low side, so I recommend at least 1080p, which is highest that this device can record at. And frame rate, if it can do 60, I would recommend changing it to it, but it looks like this device can max out only at 30. So that's what I'm gonna select. Now there's a couple additional toggles, like for instance the front camera, so it will add the selfie camera and the video recording, so it will be like a little circle that will be visible. If you want to utilize that, enable it. If you don't, then keep it off. And we have a couple additional things like record a microphone sound. So basically record yourself as a voiceover, things like this. Record system sound, which is selected by default, will record only the sound that the phone itself makes. And below that we should, there we go, have the option for show screen touches. So whenever you press the screen, do any kind of like swipe ups or anything like that, this will be visible on the video recording, screen recording, with a semi-transparent gray dot to imitate your finger press. So anyway, once you went through the settings right here, customize them, we can close this, and now we can start recording by simply tapping on this red circle. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. So you just open something. So there we go. Once you're done with your video recording, you can interact with the overlay. Click on the red square and this will automatically save your video recording to your gallery application, or photos as it's called right here, which is located in the Google folder. So there we go. You can tap on it just to view it. So anyway, that is how you can record a screen on this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.